Welcome back to the channel where I bring you simple, seasonal, southern recipes and tips. Today I have a delightful treat for you. Peanut brittle, made right in an iron skillet. Trust me, this recipe will make your taste buds dance with joy. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of roasted peanuts, half a cup of light corn syrup, 1 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt if you need it. I used salted peanuts, so I didn't need it. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating your iron skillet over medium heat. Add the stick of butter and let it melt. Once it has melted, then add your sugar and your corn syrup. Stir the mixture until it's well combined and the sugar is completely dissolved. Once it starts boiling, let it cook for about 4 or 5 minutes until it starts to turn a beautiful golden color. Now it's time to add the peanuts. Pour them in the skillet, stirring constantly. Keep stirring 3 to 4 minutes until the peanuts are evenly coated and the mixture becomes fragrant. Now don't leave the stove, you got to keep this stirring. Next, remove the skillet from the heat and quickly add in the vanilla extract, baking soda, and a pinch of salt if you're using it. Stir vigorously as this mixture will bubble up. Now, working quickly, pour the hot peanut brittle into a greased baking sheet or parchment paper. Using a spatula, spread it out into a thin, even layer. Now here's the hard part. Let it cool completely for about 30 minutes before breaking it into delicious, bite-sized chunks. And just like that, your masterpiece is ready to be devoured. Whether you enjoy it yourself or share it as a thoughtful gift, this perfectly crunchy peanut brittle will leave you wanting more. Thanks for watching this video today, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons, and stay tuned for more delicious treats. I look forward to y'all joining me in the kitchen next time, and I'll talk to you later.